Back to Max Make Easy. Let's continue with mensuration part 3. Here is our third question. The length of a rectangular field is 30 meter. Here they have given the length. Let's assume this is a rectangular field and I have named it as A, B, C, D. Right? They are saying the length is 30 meter. What is length? A to B and D to C is the length, and this both are 30 meter. So this is 30 meter and its diagonal is 34. This is always called as diagonal, children. See, it is intersecting crossly A to C. A to C is also a diagonal and D to B. This one is also a diagonal. So both the diagonals will be always same in the rectangle, right? So if this diagonal is 34, even this diagonal will be 34. So don't get confused here. Since here this length, both lengths are same and this breadth are same. So mostly the diagonal will also be same, right? So they are asking us to find the breadth as well as its perimeter. So what is perimeter? Is nothing but this boundary. See, this boundary is called as perimeter, and breadth, even this is a breadth. So we can find any one side of this breadth so that we can get the answer. So let's write the given data first. Length of a rectangular plot is 30 meter and the diagonal is 34 meter, and we have to find out the breadth of the rectangular plot as well as the perimeter of the rectangular plot. Here if you write the perimeter formula and uh, do it, that is, suppose P is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. If you use this formula, you can think that by using this formula you can easily substitute and do the problem. We don't know the perimeter value, so we have to write P itself. We know the length value, that is 30. We don't know the breadth value, that is B. See, for finding out a equation, if you know all the values and you don't know only one value, then you can find it out. But here you don't know P as well as B, so you cannot find out the value using this. But they have given us some additional information, that is diagonal. Diagonal is 34, that means this length. They have given us this length. If you have a look over here, only this part where my cursor is moving, just look at the point where my cursor is moving, this part, that is ABC. If you consider only this part, then can you find a right angle triangle here, children? I hope you all might have remembered this Pythagoras theorem. By using this Pythagoras theorem, you can able to find out B value. Since we know this value, hypothesis, as well as you know this base value. So you don't know this value, right? So you can easily find out this value. B is equal to how much? Right, children? So if you missed that topic, you can check out in my playlist. I have already done many problems on this Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square, always the slanting side will be AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is the formula which you have to remember, and now just substitute the value. AC is 34. So 34 square is equal to AB is 30. So 30 square plus B square. Now just 34 into 34. 34 square is nothing but 34 into 34. It will be 1156. 30 into 30 will be 900. Right? 30 into 30. 30 square is nothing but 30 into 30. Now we have to find out the B square. So here we have to find the value of B. So keep this B square at one side and get this 900 to the other side. It becomes minus. So when you subtract it, you will get 256 is equal to B square. To remove the square on the top, you can just put the square root for this 256. Square root of 256 is equal to b. So 16 is equal to b. So that means 16 into 16 will be 256. Always it should be the same. That means, see here, if it is given 64, then what is the square root of the 64? Square root with which number you have, you can multiply with the same numbers you have to multiply. 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64, right? So 8 will be the answer. You have to write only one 8. So similarly 16 16 is 256, so you have to write only 116. Right, children? Okay. Now we got the breadth. So we are going to find the perimeter now. Perimeter of a rectangular field formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Now just substitute the values, that is 30 plus 16. When you add it, you will get 46. 2 into 46 is 92 meter. So the perimeter of a rectangular field will be 92 meter. I hope you understood this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for more problems on mensuration. Thanks for watching.